Well, here it is. It's actually raining out right now, and it's also sunny at the same time. It's kind of a natural thing that happens in nature. But isn't it amazing how many people refuse to spray their plants with water in the sun because they're afraid it's going to burn the leaves? It's kind of a bit ridiculous, isn't it? Then we'd be looking around and all the plants would be completely crispy after a moment just like this. So, I don't know. I think that's a garden myth, don't you?